In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create board folders in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your sidebar so your boards are easy to find and manage without changing anything about the boards themselves. First, open Monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the workspace where your boards live because folders are created and used right in the sidebar of that workspace. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see your boards and workspace sections clearly. Now, look to the left side of the screen for the plus icon in the sidebar. This is your quick create button. Click it to open the creation menu. If your account has the right permissions, you'll see an option labeled folder in that menu. Go ahead and click folder. If you don't see it, check that you're in the correct workspace or reach out to your admin, as folder creation can be permission-based. You'll be prompted to name your new folder. Pick a clear, consistent name that will make sense to you and your team, like the client name, project phase, or team function. For example, Client A Marketing or Q1 Projects. Consistent naming conventions make everything easier to scan later. Type your folder name and press enter to create it. Don't stress about perfection. You can always rename the folder later if your structure evolves. With your folder created, it's time to organize. Find the board you want to move, then click and hold on the board's name in the sidebar. Drag it over the folder you just made and release when the folder highlights. That places the board inside the folder. Repeat the same drag and drop action for as many boards as you need. If you change your mind, you can simply drag a board back out to the main workspace section the same way. A few quick tips as you organize: group related boards together, like all planning boards in one folder and delivery boards in another. Keep folder names short but descriptive so the sidebar stays clean. You can collapse folders when you don't need to see everything, which helps reduce visual clutter, especially if you manage many boards. That's all there is to it. Sign in, click the plus icon, choose folder, name it, and drag your boards into place. With a couple of minutes of setup, your Monday.com workspace becomes much easier to navigate, helping you and your team find what you need faster and stay focused on the work that matters.